your side, weather forecaster Parker Beasley has your first alert forecast.
Right, we're sitting at 67 degrees right now with our humidity climbing. And that's because our dew point is slowly climbing up to reach our temperature. And if those temperatures match each other, then that means we have rain, and there's rain in the area. Look at your 7-day first alert forecast. Again, Thursday not looking extremely well. Might be a washout, but we'll have to wait and see. We're going to have storms in the region, but look at that. Our poor turkey is getting rained on. That is unfortunate. Okay, we're going to have some storms and cooling. Again, after those storms come on Thursday, our temperatures will be plummeting into the upper 20s. You see there, 27 waking up on Friday morning, and we're going to be clearing out for Christmas Day, with our temperatures capping off at around 45 degrees. And if we get towards Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have an absolutely fantastic weekend set up for you. So again, if you have to do those last-minute Christmas shopping for your gifts for your family, Thursday is that day to do it, but rather in the afternoon, not in the morning hours. This is looking pretty good. We got highs today, 77. Our low was 47, right on par with our average. But let me take you through this. Right now, we're sitting at a calm and cool 66 degrees. Our humidity today was actually at 22% earlier, so it was really dry. My lips are chapped. I was out at Flat Rock Park earlier, did some hiking, but our dew points and our humidity is slowly on the rise, and that's concurrent with our temperatures. We're sitting at 66 in Columbus. And then for tomorrow, we're going with 75 and mostly cloudy conditions. And then for your 7-day forecast, oh, that's the wrong graphic right there. But tomorrow, it'll be breezy, and we'll get to that 7-day forecast coming up in just a little bit. But if we take a closer look, we've got rain coming all across the region into Muskogee, Lee, Barber counties, just basically everywhere all across the map. But it's nothing too serious. It's not really measurable. We've got, a 1/15 of an inch an hour coming down in a few spots near Crawford and Omaha, but that's going on right now. So not too much heavy rain in the region, but if we pan this out for the next couple of hours or so, the front starts to move through. We've got cloudy conditions, and then through tomorrow, the sun might come out and, come play a little bit around the 3 o'clock hour. But it's not going to stick around for too long, because going into tomorrow evening, into the morning hours, we have another cold front that's going to be moving through. This time, we could have some severe thunderstorms with this. First Alert Weather Team will be here to cover that for you if anything does go severe. Would you believe me if I told you it was November 14th and we're still watching the tropics? Yes, Tropical Storm Iota is out there. It's about to make landfall as a major hurricane, just as Hurricane Eta did in Nicaragua and in Honduras just 10 days ago. Currently, it's sitting out there in the Caribbean Sea at 70 miles per hour for its winds, pressure at 990 and still dropping. That area is getting lots of rainfall. They received 30 inches of rain just 10 days ago. Luckily for us, it's not going to be impacting us here anywhere in the continental United States. Let's bring things back home, though. Today, we reached a high of 77 degrees and a low of 47, which is on par for our average at 47. Our current temperatures around the block. We are still tracking the tropics. Here is Tropical Storm Eta out in the Caribbean. The spaghetti models show it impacting parts of Florida, part of Key West, maybe even Miami, but once we get in the next few days or so, the models kind of scramble along and keep it just off the west coast of Florida. It doesn't really know what to do with it. Here's a better look at the National Hurricane Forecast Cone. Tuesday and Thursday at around 1 p.m., it's basically in the same exact spot, so it's not moving too much for the next few days. Here's how it could impact Columbus. We've got a big block of high pressure out in the Atlantic that's currently steering it. It's the driving mechanism, but over the next couple of days, we'll have a cold front moving in from the west that will probably bring it up and bring some of that moisture up into the Columbus area, bring us some thunderstorms and possibly some heavy rain within the next few days, but that's later this week. Here's what the radar currently looks like. Not too much going on. We had a few rain showers earlier, just a few drizzles and sprinkles here and there, but much of it is clearing up for this evening. Here's a look at the next few days. Cloudy conditions persisting overnight tonight, but as we get to the mid-afternoon tomorrow, it clears up just a little bit with some scattered showers. We do the same thing on Monday, and then we do it all again on Tuesday. Here are your temperatures around the region right now, sitting at around 71 here in Columbus, 67 in Auburn, and around the 70-degree mark for much of the viewing area. As for tonight, 64 degrees, partly cloudy with some showers, winds out of the east. And for tomorrow, we're going with a high of 76, mostly cloudy conditions, sunrise around 7 a.m. And here is a look at your first alert 7-day forecast.